What is going on, guys? Chef Ricky here, and welcome to my kitchen, where I make all your dreams come true, where dieting is made easy, where I teach you how to create all those delicious meals that you love to eat while still achieving your movie star body. So if you're ready, sit back, relax, grab yourself a nice hot cup of Kino Collagen, and let's get the video started. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be making the famous pancake tacos. Now, everybody has been raving about this recipe in the Movie Star Chef Facebook group, which, by the way, if you're not part of the Facebook group yet and you haven't bought your copy of the Movie Star Chef recipe cookbook, click the link down below. It's gonna be in the description. So this recipe cookbook has over 50 of the best macro-friendly recipes that are gonna help you on your journey. And it comes with meal plans, it comes with all the macros and calories calculated, it comes with an awesome Facebook support group and more. Okay, so now let's get to the recipe. Okay, so for the main ingredients, we're gonna be using 90 grams of liquid egg whites. We're gonna be using 25 grams of a good tasting whey protein with a teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna be using 40 grams of a low calorie bread, or you could use 40 grams of oats. You prefer, you're gonna have to adjust the macros and calories if you're using the oats. The low calorie bread is gonna be a bit lower in calories. And we're gonna be using about an eighth of a cup of stevia, any sweetener. You choose whatever sweetener you want. Okay, so we're gonna put that all in the blender and I'll see you later. Okay, so the pancakes are done. We're just gonna let them cool off on the side while we prepare the filling. Okay, so there they are. Pancakes are done. We're gonna let them sit on the side. We're gonna let them cool off. And while they're cooling off, we're gonna prepare the frosting. And today we're doing Oreo cheesecake type pancake tacos. So you're gonna love these, all right? So let's start preparing the filling. Okay, so for the filling, we're gonna be using some 0% Greek yogurt, and I got lactose free. And we're using some lactose free cottage cheese. We're gonna be using some Oreo crumbs. Just like if you wanna make like an Oreo base cake. So instead of using the whole Oreo, we're just using the crumbs. We're gonna be using some sweeteners. We're gonna be using some fat-free Jell-O. We're gonna be using the whole pack. And on top, we're gonna be crushing some full Oreos, the mini Oreos, okay? So, let's go. So there you have the filling. Got the pancakes ready on the side. So now we're just gonna take the filling and we're gonna put them in the pancakes. And then we're gonna put them in the freezer for about 25 to 30 minutes. Just take the pancake. And you just stuff it, just like that. Look at that. This is gonna be so awesome. Just like that. See? You could take like a container like this, just so you put it one here and one on the other side, just so it holds it. It doesn't fall apart in the freezer. So we're gonna do the same to the other one, and then we'll see the final product in a bit, all right? Okay, so there it is. Look at these bad boys. So what I did was I topped it off with some crushed Oreos, added some strawberries and some Walden Farms chocolate syrup. So these both equal to 1,000 calories dead on. Macros are 118 carbs, 17 fat, and 88 protein. So let's do a taste test for the camera. Okay, so I always get excited for these taste tests. So far today, all I had was some collagen, I had an apple, and I'm gonna have one of these tacos. Look at that. Look at this. Oh yeah. Okay, ready? Oh my god. You never mixed cottage cheese with Greek yogurt before and put Oreos? You gotta try this. By far one of my top pancake taco combinations with Oreo, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt. It's so good, so creamy, and the crunch from the Oreos makes this the perfect meal. Normally I would have both of these, 1,000 calories, 1,200 sometimes, but today I'm just having one. So good. You gotta try these out. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down, I'm gonna go finish this, and see you later. Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, I enjoy my diet. I don't eliminate any foods. I eat Oreos, I eat some chocolate, but I made sure that I fit it into my total calorie goal for that day. So for 500 calories, that is a killer meal. That is a killer dessert. It's delicious, it's satisfying. You're going to love it. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Tag me on Instagram, tag me on Facebook in the groups if you have any questions, if you need any modifications on the recipe, just let me know in the group. All right guys, so have a great day and I'll see you next time. Ciao.